want to be
Lily.
inside.
Lily. Well, you just... Ah! Small puppy.
Oh my god, that dog's gonna hurt himself. Hey.
This is the cat. It's a great family moment. The cat wanting to leave. Lily being Lily. Small dog. Being a small dog.
Yes, there's a puppy back here. No.
Great family moment.
I can't pick up both feet to scratch. I don't understand this madness. Right there. Maybe out here till you poop. Yeah, you don't want to bring her inside for her to poop on your house.
Stop.
I can't. Hello.
Go say hi to the cat.
The cat's like.
No.
You like that very much?
Lily, what are you doing?
You don't play with the puppy. Look at the cat.
What are you doing?
I love
Gotta go back inside.
Lily has to understand that she doesn't need to be defensive.
Yeah.
Lily?
Well, this is her house.
Lily.
I mean, this is her, I guess, her behavior normally.
Hey, no
Oh,
food
oh,
proper. I understand this is proper. So you're proper.
It's okay, she just the
I love how the cat just doesn't want to be a part of this.
Puppy around.
I know.
Puppy has a bowl. Eat your food. Puppy doesn't try to eat your food.
Come on, Ada. Okay.
Cat, thank God.
Oh, same.